Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by getting legal clearance and selecting the infrastructure that actually allows continuous automatic capture. Pick a Cloud VO IP provider or self-hosted PBX that supports automatic recording on trunks or extensions. This is the only reliable method for every call. Once chosen, provision SIP accounts or extensions and flip the account-level recording switch. Make sure to set global retention defaults and storage locations now so recordings are archived consistently, not scattered across. Next, configure detailed recording rules so you capture the exact calls you need. Define inbound versus outbound behavior, specific extensions, and any time-of-day exclusions. Once done, attach recording hooks to the trunk or dial plan so nothing is skipped. Route files to a central, durable store, S3 or encrypted network storage, with lifecycle policies to control costs. Also embed metadata like caller ID, timestamps, and a unique call UUID so you can index and retrieve files quickly when needed. Finally, run systematic tests to validate recordings across devices, times, and call types. Play back files and confirm metadata is accurate. Once verified, automate backups, retention, and IAM policies so storage grows predictably and access is logged. Make sure recordings are encrypted in transit and at rest and notify parties as required by law. If you encounter missing files, check trunk codecs, storage permissions, and the PBX dial plan order. These 3 items resolve most recording failures quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.